Welcome back to ToysCats. Today we're going to be restoring a 1997 Loonette doll from the Big Comfy Couch, the doll that you see here. Hopefully you're lucky enough to remember this intro, or you've at least seen clips online. And we can't forget the famous clock rug. I got the doll secondhand, and when I received it, it was inside a package, and the envelope was blank, so I decorated it with the logo. Let's jump right into loading the doll with soap and shampoo before we wash her. Now that she's covered in soap and shampoo, we'll go ahead and scrub her thoroughly with our hands, the toothbrush, and the magic eraser. Here are just some quick clips of the process. The doll is all scrubbed down and thoroughly rinsed here, so we're going to go ahead with the conditioning process. That will sit for 2 weeks. Let's take a look at the 2-week-old conditioned hair. Her hair is not as stiff and crunchy as I thought it would be. I let it sit for so long in hopes of softening the hair as much as possible. It's time to detangle these pigtails. Before we get to the fun hairstyling, please don't forget to subscribe and like if you haven't already. Your support allows me to continue making content. Now that we've brushed her pigtails, we'll go ahead and condition again. But we'll only let the conditioner sit for a few hours this time. Time for another good rinse. Before we steam. I'm sorry. So we're steaming her hair because I thought it would be easier to brush if it was straight. The reason for that is because her hair is on the coarser side, so if it's straight, it's easier to get the comb through. Her pigtails appear to be different lengths, so I'm going to give them a good trim. I'll show you the mess I made. We'll restore her nose now, and I'll use different nail polishes to find the right color match. This orange is a bit too dark. Let's try mixing in a lighter pink, but I'm not sure. I think it might be a little bit too dull. Please enjoy my trial and error as I mix and match different nail polish colors. We definitely have to go brighter. The color still isn't bright enough here, but not to worry, you'll get to see the final outcome coming up next. And again, please don't forget to subscribe and like if you're enjoying this video. In the before here, you can see just how dirty the doll's outfit is. You can really see the discoloration between the arms and the body. The body is the true color since it was protected under the jumper. This is still the before of the Loonette doll shortly after we took her out of the mail envelope. Ta-da! This is how she turned out. You'll get to see a close-up before and after of the nose in just a moment. I also repainted her hair elastics to ensure they match the nose. Here we have the before and after of her hair. A close-up of the repainted elastics, or maybe scrunchies, I'm not sure. This is a quick look at her before we took off her little jumper, which was also thoroughly washed. The little faces on the back are so dirty here. But not to worry, all the dirt came out and she looks great. Nothing was permanently stained, thank goodness. Notice all the little fuzzies on her leg cuffs. That's just pilling. It happens with wear of fabric like this. We'll go ahead and remove the pilling now. Hopefully you enjoy the sound. Let's take a look at these clean leg cuffs. Lastly, we'll take a look at the shoes, specifically the little faces on them as we got the markings out. Well, that was fun. I really love this doll, so I'm happy to see her clean. Thank you again for watching. Once more, please don't forget to subscribe and like, and have a great day. See you next time.